All right, let's talk about how you can extract text before a specific character within Excel. So here we just have some examples. We have some emails and some names here. And in this column or the adjacent cell, for whatever reason, we don't want to display the at example.com. We just want the first name here listed in the email. So what we can do is type equals and use text before. We'll select the cell or the text we're looking to manipulate. We'll hit comma, and it's going to ask us for our delimiter. Now our delimiter is going to be the ampersand or the at example.com, right? So what we're going to do is hit quote, ampersand or at, end quote. So basically what this formula is going to do is it's going to find this ampersand or at symbol, and then everything before that it will display. So we'll go ahead and hit enter, and we'll see that it will display Sam. And if we double click or click and drag this square in the bottom right corner, that formula will copy all the way down.
I'm here in the Amazon rainforest. Nah, just kidding. If you've made it this far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much.
Now we can do the same thing here. Let's say we just wanted to display the first name once again. We'll hit text before, select the cell, comma, and this time our delimiter is going to be a comma surrounded by two quotes. And we'll hit enter, and then we can click and drag that all the way down as well. And there you have it. That's how you can extract text before a specific character in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.